Hey MoseTube, coming at you guys with a center console LCD screen, or the crystal screen rather, and this is on an F-150 2008 Ford Lariat, and just watched a couple videos on YouTube on these 510 resistors here. They come unsoldered from the board. I don't know why, what the reasoning behind this is, but I went ahead and I already did the fix. I resoldered them. I'm going to go ahead and install this back onto the F-150, and I'm going to see if I have any illumination. As you can see, I soldered both sides. I also went underneath it, and I thought this was a pretty good tip, is to go to the location of which it is fixed to the board and set a little bead of solder on the bottom side, just to make sure you're getting continuity. This will tell you your temperature and the direction of travel. There's a better screen. Sorry for the focus, but I will go ahead and reinstall, and again see if I can go ahead and get any illumination. We'll go ahead and pause the video.
All right, I'm back. MoseTube, here we go. I'm inside the F-150. I'm gonna try. Let's see here. I got the key in. You can see here. Poor lighting. This is dark, sorry. Here is the harness. I already took the console off. There's only one screw that is located in the front right here. And then there's these little tabs right here and here that you're gonna undo, and the whole thing will come down. And it's nothing more than that wire harness being plugged into this. We'll just get this oriented the right way. I will go ahead and plug it in and hope for the best. If it doesn't work, I'll just go buy a new one. This didn't seem like too much trouble to try it out and see if it'll work. So oh, there it is, guys. Freshly soldered. Let's see. Hopefully it held up pretty good. There it is. Start it up. And what does that say? Ice, northeast, 6 degrees. Look at that, -14, on, off. So there you go, guys. You could save yourself some money. It's pretty cool. I just wanted, you know, the feature that it came with to be functional, and for that little simple fix, soldering right there on the board, was able to go ahead and cause this to be functional. You don't have to buy a new one, I guess. So I'll go ahead and get this thing repaired and put back together, and I'll start enjoying the usefulness of this component. Let's see if trying to see if we can fool it. I wonder how it's measuring which direction I'm pointing it in. Either way, thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video, and pass it on to anybody else who's having trouble with this.